ain't Dottie's Kitchen. Yeah, man, I heard about that, man. People said this shit is crazy. You know, this ain't where every bite you take, you feel like grandma's back in the kitchen. I swear to God. Yo, let's give them a call. See what they got.
She hate to brag, but she know what she got. No air fryer, it's just the oven and pot. So lick your fingers and check the prices. You had good, but you haven't had the nicest. You been waiting, you been missing. You can't believe it. Nah, son, it's Dottie. She got you tripping. It's DK for short. Dottie's Kitchen. It's Dottie's Kitchen. It's Dottie's Kitchen. Dottie's Kitchen. Dottie's Kitchen. It's Dottie's Kitchen. It's Dottie's Kitchen. Dottie's Kitchen. It's Dottie's Kitchen.
Hey friend, we are back with the peach cobbler tutorial. I didn't use the regular pie crust. I did a turnover, like a hot pocket, and it was so delicious. So as you have already seen, I've listed my ingredients: cinnamon, sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, allspice, nutmeg, lemon, and there's butter in the pan with the peaches. These peaches are fresh and they were delivered to me, so I decided to make me a little treat. So I incorporated all my ingredients. If there's anything that you don't particularly like everybody doesn't like allspice or too much nutmeg, tweak it to how you like it. I love nutmeg. I wanted to try the little allspice because I heard that actually puts a little kick into it, which I actually enjoyed. So once I allow everything to marinate on the stove and marry and get all the flavors all over, probably about 10 to 12 minutes, then I made a slurry. A slurry is some cornstarch with some water. You mix it, and then you just add a little as you go until you bring it to your desired thickness. So at this point, I felt like I needed a little bit more. Taste as you go. Feel out the texture. Make sure your peaches are cooked down well, but not too soft. So I found it to my texture. You see how nice and thick that is? That was perfect for me. And then I'm still going to allow it to cool. I'm going to take out my pastry sheets from Pepperidge Farm. They're really good. Just handle them when they are not frozen, but not all the way thawed out. Somewhere 50-50. If you let them thaw out too much, it won't rise up like it's supposed to. So I'm just flattening it out here using my rolling pin, flipping it on both sides, and then I'm going to put in my filling. What I also did, which is not seen here, is I made an egg wash, which is an egg and some water, and I put that on the top of the pastry once I was done filling it. I also added some slits on the top, tiny ones, so the air can also escape, so it doesn't bubble over in the oven. Just a couple of little techniques that I picked up, just passing along on to you. Because y'all know I'm not the baker, but this was really good, and it was easy, fun to make, makes the house smell absolutely amazing. So as you see here, I'm filling it. I'll fold it over. I'll press it down with a fork, somewhat like how you do empanadas. Close it up. Use my egg wash, make my slits, put it in the oven. The directions are on the back of the box. I think it's about 350 degrees for 12 minutes or so. Check on it. Here you got a caramel and some powdered sugar.